Hi everyone, I'm excited to share with you the AI modules introduction in BUILDFitters. Now you can use AI to really innovate in runtime and benefit from the AI features that we have incorporated into the project management module. So I'm going to just quickly open up this project. As you can see, it's a HVAC heating setup project. I have a schedule here for this project. You can see some of the tasks. Some tasks are completed. So it's an old project. So you can see it was supposed to be done in January 2024. So my expectation is that when I look at the first AI feature, which is auto generation of the project status report, AI driven, I expect that AI report to show us that this project is behind schedule, number one. Number two, obviously, you have the total amounts, the total cost, and the spend on this project. So I expect the report to be able to showcase some of the features around that. And then we have some of the risk assessment in the status report as well. It would highlight some of the risks as well as give recommendations on some of the areas and tasks we can do to avoid those risks. So with that, what I'm going to do next is, this is where our newest feature lives. So you can see AI project agent. I'm just going to go to my AI project agent. And the reason why we are calling it the AI project agent is because we tend to add more and more features to it. So the first one that I want to cover today is just a project report generator. So I'm going to hit this button that's called generate report, and it is going to go ahead and generate an AI-based summary of how things are going on this project. So you can see it lives right within the project, so you don't have to go find it outside. So if you're a project manager, or even if you're a superintendent or someone else who will be associated with the project or working on this project, you can quickly get a snapshot of where the project is and how things are progressing. So let's look at this report now that AI just generated. So you can see it's telling me the total budget right here. And it's also highlighting that despite several activities being completed on time or ahead of schedule, some tasks remain open, potentially impacting the project's timeline. Then I go in here in the project overview, and it's giving me high-level information on that. You see here, it's telling me the status. It's driven directly from this status. So if I had it on, say, ordered/not received, it would have shown that as the status. It is also giving me team information. So it is all the people who are working on this project, which is pretty cool because when you have larger projects, you have so many people coming in and working on the projects, AI automatically summarizes, gives you their role as well in respect to this project. And then now I'm going to go into time tracking. As you look at the activity tracking, it has these KPI indicators that tell you where we are behind on tasks and where we are on time or ahead on tasks. So it is highlighting that for me as a project manager. So right off the bat, when I see this as a project manager, I know what I need to focus on. So I need to focus on HVAC inspection, setup. I need to focus on installing HVAC units. Then it's giving me further analysis on the timeline. It's showing me percentage completions. It's also showing me the status summary and telling me that this project overall from the timeline perspective is at risk right now because there are 4 overdue activities and then a couple of deadlines that have passed or are coming up. And then in the end, it's just showing me some key metrics of this project. Now, this is just the first sample set of the data that we have incorporated into this AI project report. There's a lot more that we can do with it. If you have certain fields that you would like incorporated as we deploy it, or if you have it already deployed, and as we set up this AI project agent for your BUILDFitters module, we can add in those as well. And then the last but not least piece is the risk assessment and recommendations. So it's telling me that the potential risks with the project is currently at risk due to multiple activities behind schedule, and lack of time tracking data could lead to unmonitored resource utilization and further delays. So why is it saying that? It's saying that because there's no timesheets being tracked against this project. As you guys know, we have that module in BUILDFitters as well. So we can go in here and we can track all of the work orders as well as timesheets from different team members in here, but we are not doing that, which is in this progress tracking. So that's why it is highlighting it as a risk. And then in the end, it is making recommendations. So this is just the first of many features that we would release as part of our AI module building up into BUILDFitters and being able to help you innovate and be at the forefront of technology being leveraged to help with your business and business needs. So stay tuned for more additional features. But if you're interested in this, feel free to reach out to us and we can either deploy it in your existing project management app that you have as part of your Power Platform, or you can deploy a new project management app for you, which will have AI Project Agent as part of that as well. Thank you so much, and looking forward to share more about new features as they come live in this module. Thank you.